This is Yoga for a Heavy Heart. My name is Mary Kolenda. Come to the middle of your mat for Child's Pose Balasana. Bring your big toes to kiss, widen your knees, lower your torso and head, reach your arms out. Allow yourself to settle in to arrive in this first pose. Fully fill your lungs with air. Cleansing breath out of your mouth. One more deep breath into your lower abdomen. Full breath out. If you'd like to, you can connect your palms behind your head to open your heart. Linger here and breathe. As you surrender to this first posture, just observe without judgment. You already took the hardest step. You showed up on your mat during these challenging times. Be proud of yourself for finding the strength and courage to take care of your health. On your next inhale, press yourself up to tabletop. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, open your heart, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, cat pose. Pull your navel in, round your spine, press the earth away. 2 more times on your own. Now breathe in, tuck your toes under. On your exhale, find downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lower your heels, elevate your hips, spread your fingers wide. You have the option to pedal out your legs. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, walk to the top of your mat. Widen your feet, hip-width distance or wider. Deep bend your knees. Imagine you have paint on your fingers. If you want to, you can draw various shapes on your mat. It could be circles or half moons. It could be a heart, as it desires healing and self-love. Slowly walk your feet together. Inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Gently place your hands on your shins, soar your heart forward, shrug your shoulders back. Enrich your heart with one more breath. Exhale, low lunge. Step your left foot back, lower your left knee, untuck your left toes. Unite your hands in front of your chest. Connect with your heart, place of compassion, self-love, and forgiveness. Imagine you're holding your heart in your hands. As you inhale, lift your hands, release your heart from pain and sorrow. As you exhale, open your arms and lean back. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, lower your hands to arrive in half splits, Ardha Hanumanasana. Soften your right knee, flex your right toes. Take a deep breath in, shine your heart forward. Exhale, surrender and melt down. Inhale, come back to low lunge. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, halfway lift, reset your spine. Exhale, low lunge. Step your right foot back, lower your right knee, untuck your right toes. Guide your hands to your heart. Take this moment to sense and notice your powerful energy center. Envision you are capturing your heart with your hands. As you breathe in, lift your hands, feel the lightness in your heart expand as you let go of the heaviness and distress. As you breathe out, open your arms and lean back. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, drop your hands and find half splits again. Microbend your left knee, flex your left toes. Take a full breath in, glow your heart forward. Softly exhale, lower and fold deeply. Inhale, come back to low lunge. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. Lower all the way down to your mat. Pin your elbows in. Inhale, low cobra, Bhujangasana. Lift your chest, press your toes down. As you breathe in again, either press yourself up to high cobra or all the way up to upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Lift your hips, widen your heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, fly your right leg up. Exhale, low lunge. Lower your left knee, press your left hand down, send your right arm up for a twist. Open your heart. Reach your right hand back. You may stay here or bend your left leg and grab for your left foot for a quad stretch. Take air into your lungs. Exhale, Chaturanga, lower down and flow. Inhale, either cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, elevate your left leg. Exhale, low lunge. Lower your right knee, press your right hand down. Raise your left arm for a twist. Expand your heart. Reach your left hand back. You may stay here again or bend your right leg and grab for your right foot. Find another inhale. Exhale, chaturanga, lower down and flow. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, malasana. Step your feet forward, toes out. Lower your tailbone, connect your palms in front of your heart. Press your elbows into your inner thighs. Roll your shoulders down. You may stay in Malasana or use the next breaths to connect with your heart's desires. Let your inner child play to embrace lightness and freedom. It could be an inversion or any pose that fills your heart with joy and warmth. You may also use the next moments to find stillness and inner peace. When you are ready, come back to child's pose. Take a deep breath into your core. Big breath out. On your next breath in, press yourself up into tabletop. Find a seat and extend your legs. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, seated forward fold Paschimottanasana. Capture your calves, ankles, or feet. Lower your head. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, roll down into Happy Baby Pose, Ananda Balasana. Grab for your thighs, calves, or feet. Draw your knees to your armpits. Anchor your head, shoulder blades, and lower back down. Allow your inner child to play one more time. Hold on to your right knee, extend your left leg out. Breathe in. Exhale, supine twist. Drape your right knee over to your left, cactus your arms. Bring your knees back to center. Hold on to your left knee, extend your right leg out. Breathe in. Exhale, supine twist. Drag your left knee over to your right, goal post your arms. Come back to center. Bring the soles of your feet to kiss. Open your knees wide to arrive in Supta Baddha Konasana. Let one hand rest on your heart and the other on your belly. You may close your eyes. Notice your heartbeat. As you inhale, nourish your heart with compassion and warmth. As you exhale, let go and find forgiveness. Now draw your awareness toward your belly. Feel the rise and fall as you breathe in and out. Deeply breathe into your lower abdomen, expand your lungs, hold. Slow exhale, let it out with ease. If you'd like to, you can find a few more deep belly breaths or just rest and discover your body's sensations. When you are ready, close your knees like a book. Hug your legs tightly. Take one more loving breath into your heart space. Exhale, Shavasana. Take up space and surrender. May you feel better soon. Namaste.